Alright girls, so before we head back to work, meron lang ako mga gustong tanongin sa inyo. Just a check-in. So, I would like to ask lang kung anong feedback nyo sa last project natin. Be honest, okay lang. This is an open door.
Okay naman, Leia. Medyo tight lang yung deadline last week. But, na-manage naman namin.
Noted. Actually, I sent some specimen from you guys. Pero kasi I wasn't sure di ko naman gusto natin. Pero next time, hopefully, you will speak up earlier about this.
Actually po, since we're being honest, I felt na medyo kulang yung instructions for the layout revisions. I had to ask Anna 3 times kasi I wasn't sure if I was doing it right.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga. Nika, I really should have clarified. Pero kasi, I thought the instructions were clear. And ayoko rin naman kasi mang-abala, di ba?
So, ayun na nga. That's exactly the thing. I also appreciate honesty girls and pero don't worry. Clarifying isn't being an abala. It's better than guessing and wasting time. That's actually the kind of thing I'm recommending.
I think having a clear written instructions might help, like a short checklist or review.
Yeah, I kinda agree. That's a really good idea. Para pwede natin siya ma-apply sa mga future projects natin, no?
Okay, so that is it. I'll work on that then to do in the future. And also, I know that Kia and Pakikisama matters, pero let's not forget that we are a team. Let's build a culture where we can respect each other and speak up, especially when it matters. Kahit pa-boss pa ang kausap, okay? So, deal?
Yes, deal.